Thought of the day. Whatever is good within me, I owe to the habit of reading. 1. Niti Aayog has released the Investment Friendliness Index report. Among large states, Gujarat ranked first, followed by Maharashtra in second place and Tamil Nadu in third. Uttarakhand topped the list among hilly and northeastern states. States were evaluated based on 8 parameters, including infrastructure, business environment, government policies, and ease of regulation. 2. The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, CDSCO, has approved the Wegovy injection for treating MASH, a severe form of fatty liver disease. This is the country's first approved GLP-1 therapy. Clinical trials showed a reduction in liver inflammation in 63% of patients. The drug helps reduce liver fat and inflammation. 3. All-rounder Sir Gary Sobers has passed away at the age of 89. Representing the West Indies, Sobers scored 8,032 runs and took 235 wickets in 93 test matches. He was the first batsman to hit 6 sixes in a single over in first-class cricket. His unbeaten innings of 365 runs against Pakistan in 1958 held the world record in Test cricket for 36 years. 4. Chinese President Xi Jinping announced the establishment of the World Artificial Intelligence Cooperation Organization. Its objective is to foster AI development and governance among the Global South and developing nations. 30 countries, including Brazil, Russia, South Africa, and Indonesia, have joined this organization. 5. The Internet and Mobile Association of India, IMAI, has launched the E-Commerce Council of India. This is the first national platform for the country's $120 billion digital commerce sector. It aims to improve digital trade regulations by bringing together industry players, policymakers, and experts. 6. The Ministry of Commerce will soon release revised data for the Index of 8 Core Industries. The base year has been updated from 2011-12 to 2022-23. For the first time, iron ore has been included as a 9th sector. Additionally, coal data will now include only raw coal to avoid double counting. The core sector accounts for approximately 40% of the Index of Industrial Production, IIP. 7. Word of the day. Energy Conservation Building Code, ECBC. This is a regulation by the Government of India. Its objective is to reduce electricity consumption in buildings and ensure efficient energy use. It establishes energy-saving standards for walls, roofs, windows, lighting, air conditioning, AC, systems, and other installations. These measures enable buildings to consume less electricity while maintaining a more comfortable indoor temperature. There is currently an ongoing debate regarding the rapid construction of glass buildings in India. Consequently, the role of the ECBC in conserving energy and enhancing building efficiency has once again come into focus.